Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Here is a very beautiful and fun loving video for you. First of all, please subscribe my channel, like my video and share my videos. Today I am gonna share a very beautiful, very colorful video related the very basic need, that is the covers or the crochet stove covers. Crochet is a fun and relaxing fiber craft that is quick and easy to learn. Would you like to learn how to crochet, or you need different patterns of crocheting? In this video you will see many different patterns for crocheting. You'll find plenty of crochet stitch tutorials or many other on the YouTube channels, but in my video I will show you different patterns that will help to select the best one for you. You may also like our crochet videos, many different videos I posted before. Crocheting is a perfect way to get your creativity flowing. There are so many ways to make your own handles and make your own covers for your handles. It can be different colors, different designs. There are different terms and abbreviations. In this video you will enjoy different colors with the different patterns, different designs, also 3D covers and many other covers that will help you in crocheting. There are many different things, that many different items, kitchen items, that will helpful for you. Crochets are the super popular project in the world. There are nearly a potential of variations in the creativity, where whether you are just starting on or advanced crocheter. What this crocheting is, this is just a fun, this is a game of fun, and each and everyone like all these crocheting. Okay guys, hope so this video will very helpful for you guys. You all love this type of crocheting patterns. This is an easy crocheting for beginners. If it even comes with a very quick and very easy idea. This helps you to make your kitchen more attractive and very good looking. This will help you because crocheting is a fun, relaxing hobby that anyone can do. In this video you will see and enjoy different patterns, different beautiful patterns. If you are interested in starting a new hobby of learning a new skill, you are in the right place. After watching this video, hope so you start loving crocheting. If you are not already doing this, you will be ready to create beautiful wearable items, many different items, like it will be scarves, hats, blankets, many different crochet items present in my videos. Thanks for watching my video.